Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with a new video in Numpy tutorial series, that is another set of 5 Numpy array manipulation techniques into this particular video. So the video to which we are going to cover the topics are union of two NumPy array, after that unique finding unique row in NumPy array, after that getting unique value from an array. So unique rows and then unique value. After that trimming leading or trailing 0 and reshaping an array. All these 5 topics we are going to touch in this particular video. So let's get started with the video. So very first we are having taking out union of the two NumPy array. In the past video we have already covered up the concatenation and then combination, how we can do combine or join. After that, how we can concatenate. In this particular one we are going to see how we can union. So basically this union happens by keeping in mind having only one dimensional array. If you want to union two dimensional array, it will be flattened with one dimensional array only. So what I am trying to tell you, let me just take it to the VS Code. So suppose this particular one is the array 1 is the NumPy array having this two dimensional form, and in this as well this is two dimensional. If you are going to now union it, what it will do, it will union it, that means it will join all the data from both of the arrays, but it will flatten it into a one dimensional. So if you want to union two dimensional array, you need to concatenate, that's only the option. Okay, so concatenate I have already covered. If you are not aware, just let me take you back. So over here you can see np.concatenate, and then you can pass array 1 and array 2, whatever you want to. So this way you can just concatenate two dimensional array as well, but with this particular one in union 1D, it is going to union in the in one dimensional format only. So let me now show you how the things are going on each line by line. So over here what it is there, array in array 1 we are having np.array, that means we are creating an array with having value as 1 2 and 3, and for array 2 it's the value 3 4 and 5. After that we are taking out the union with having the method as union 1D. In union 1D we are passing two parameters, one is array 1 and another is array 2. When we are union we are just doing union 1D. After unioning, what it is doing, it is just creating the combined form of both of the array in the format of one dimensional. And over here you can just take a mark that this 3 is repeating in array 2 as well, but it is not taken as repeatable element into this particular resulting array. So this is the beauty of this, that it will remove duplicates. It will just take up whatever the data it is coming from the one dimension first array, and the second array whatever the unique values are there, it will keep those. After that we will move to the another one, that is finding unique row into NumPy array. How we can find unique row, and then we are having another thing that we can find unique values. So to find unique rows, I will just show you by taking it to the VS Code. And then unique rows, let me just execute it. Now let me show you what it is. We are creating in first line, we are creating the array with having value 1 2 3 4 1 2 and 5 6. So what it is going on, this 1 2 and this 1 2 is repeating, correct? So in both of them only one should be there, because we need to find out unique row. So for that what we are doing, just we are giving at the result as 1 2 3 4 and 5 6. That means this 1 2 has been eliminated. So this is how we can find out the unique row. Just we need to provide this parameter x is equals to 0, and the method is dot unique, which expects two parameter. First is the array and another one is the axis. Axis is of course going to be 0 because we need to find out row. For column, axis becomes 1. For row, the axis will be 0. After that we are having another technique, that is getting unique values from an array. So how we can find out, copy it, paste it over here. So unique values we can just find out, and then you can see that 1 2 3 4 and 5 has been taken out. How? But just by using dot unique method, into which we have passed only the thing that is the array, from which we need to find out the unique values. That's it. Let's move ahead with another technique, that is trimming, trailing, or the leading zero. The leading zero means whatever zero comes in starting of the whole of the array, and trailing means the zeros coming at the last of the array. So for that, what we need to do is just let me copy this and then trimmed array. So over here, what you can see, 1 2 and 3 has already been taken. So what it is doing, it is just filtering out the value which is not 0. So for that, what it is doing, this array and then array not equals to 0. So it is creating a new array actually, into which it is just comparing it with 0. If it is not 0, then only it is keeping up into this trimmed array. That's it. And it is giving you the values without 0. After that, we are having the another one, that is reshaping of the array. If you are having one dimensional array, if you want to reshape it to some other dimension, we can reshape it with this particular technique. How? Let me just show you. For in first line, what we are doing, we are creating the array. After that, we are having reshaped array with having the method as dot reshape. Dot reshape is expecting the parameter as the shape which you with which you want to fetch it out. So let me just show you what it is giving you. So now what you can see, that is, since we have told it that it should be reshaped into 2 cross 3 matrix, so it has reshaped it into that particular one with having 1 2 3 and then 4 5 6. What if we convert it to 3 cross 3? So it's all again 1 2 3 and then 4 5 6, right? And it is why it is not able to reshape it. What you can see, cannot reshape the array of size 6 into shape 3 cross 3. Why? Because in 3 cross 3 9 elements are needed, but we are providing only and only 6 elements. So 2 cross 3 is only maximum possible over here. Okay, so hope you got this particular point, that how we are reshaping the array, and this is how it is going to be used into the practical scenarios. So that was approximately whole about this particular video, into which we have covered up these 5 topics, or you may say the 5 manipulation techniques. Into upcoming videos, again we will be covering a few more manipulation technique, then we will be proceeding ahead with some other topics as well. So stay tuned to the channel till then. Thank you so much guys for watching out the video. See you in the next one with some other topic.